What's up, everyone? I'm Perry722, also known as Adam here, and today we're going to be building my buddy a brand new computer. This is Ethan, also known as Mullet Mo. I'll put a link for his channel down in the description below, but he's never built a computer before, and I'm really excited. So in this box right here, we have internal parts. We don't have the case yet, it should be here pretty soon. We're going to start off with the main one here. ROG Strix B450F Gaming motherboard, which we have right in front of us right now. Alright, so you want to go ahead and do the RAM?
Yeah, might as well. We already got it.
He got the Ripjaws, 16 gigabytes Ripjaw 3200 RAM. Oh, 3600. 3600, even better. There we go. There's 4 slots, but there's a mode that you put it in. It's called dual channel mode to use 2. So to actually use these 2, you have to put it in a different slot.
So use 4.
If you use 4, it doesn't matter then. You just fill them all in. But if you just have 2, then you have to fill in, it doesn't matter which 2, but 2 with 1 space in between. So with these, you're gonna be a little rough with them. It may seem like you're breaking the board, but you just wanna push them in until you hear that little click. We got a Ryzen 5 3600. I don't know much about this.
Why not?
Because I'm an Intel guy, but I'm probably going to switch over to the AMD side soon.
Oh, dude, boom!
You see that little tiny gold arrow right there?
Yeah.
We're going to match it up with this arrow right there, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, we're back. Welcome back to another video. Actually, the same video. But we finally got his case in. It's behind his old computer right here, which we're going to steal his CD drive from. For this.
You can go around the front end and...
We have to snip it. Is that cool?
Yeah, okay.
I can re-zip tie it. And then if we're trying to install Windows, there's going to be 2 drives. I don't think that's going to work properly.
Not me, I wasn't gonna eat it.
If I get, you got some nice peelies.
I do. I gotta savor them peelies.
Alright, let's get the peelies. Let's get the peelies.
Bottom to top.
Ooh, I want to see it top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Alright guys, so we did a little bit off camera. We went ahead and installed the motherboard, and then we did all of the fans. We plugged in all this boring I/O stuff, the front I/O that you can find in your motherboard book, instruction manuals, HD audio. And then we went ahead and installed the power supplies, and then we put the 24-pin connector in there, and then the little 8-pin for the CPU, I'm pretty sure, is right up there. That was a hard one. It looks really gross. I don't like the way that hangs, but we'll figure out a way to make that beautiful. But we're gonna go ahead and do our first test start here. The computer, see if all the fans work, see if everything's running good. Hopefully. This looks nice. Ooh.
Alright.
Okay.
You push the button?
Yeah, go ahead and push it.
Oh!
Look at that.
That's nice. That is really nice.
Sick.
Even the button's blue and everything.
Oh,
It
and it's
matches.
blue. Oh, look at that.
That's good.
Ooh.
I like this, and it's so quiet too.
It is very quiet.
This fan's not on.
It's not on. So what is this one connected to?
Oh, because
Oh, so let's go ahead and try. Go ahead and turn it off. Bam.
nice. I love that. I really like that.
Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it off, unplug everything, and keep on working on it. So let's see, what else can we do next? So we have hard drives and stuff.
Hard
We
drive.
really don't have that much
SSD.
left. So his old computer, he bought it pre-built, and it really wasn't. It's not a good computer, and so it only came with a hard drive, and they installed Windows on a hard drive, which it's not really good for booting up. It makes like boot up times really slow, just because of the speed of hard drives. So we always go for the SSDs. SSDs have a really fast. Well, they transfer information a lot faster than hard drives. So always you want to get an SSD or something fast to boot up. At least install Windows on. So, or this has Windows installed on it. We can't really move it to his new computer because it has Windows on it, and if two hard drives / SSDs have Windows on it, I'm not sure how the computer's going to react to that. It's going to be a little bit weird, so I'm not sure. We might have to scrap this, or like you just transfer all of the stuff that you want to a new one, and then we can install that new one in here. But let's go ahead and do the next. You want to do the graphics card next? All right.
Nice.
We're gonna do the push, and then we're in. Disgusting.
Disgusting. The CD drive.
No. Oh, this way. It tells me.
Max Pro.
Okay, so I was holding the case. Instruction manual's out. The hard drive was on the drive. Boxes everywhere.
Where am I gonna set this? Oh God. No, I don't like that.
I could bring my I could bring my TV in here. For my room, 'cause I had to use it. Yeah, we did. Okay, so we just did the graphics card. We hooked up the CD drive, and then we hooked up the SSD, which we're going to go ahead and try to install Windows with. So we're going to go ahead and turn on this computer, slide it on. Motherboard's starting to light up. It's a good sign. And I'll go to the point before I
Stick your finger in one. Stick your tongue in one. Oh, it's doing stuff. Adam.
Alright, well, we finally got finished. We installed Windows. We installed all the drivers. I think we're ready. We're doing one last drive, and that is his hard drive. Seagate Barracuda, 2 terabyte drive.
Better.
Pre-lit. I'm going to put this to the back. There we go.
Nice.
Oh.
screws?
Yeah, just.
Nice.
Alright, this was a really fun project that I did for Ethan. He has a YouTube channel. If you want to go check it out, look at the link in the description. Go give him a subscribe, give him some likes, give him some love on some videos. Also, if y'all want to see some more series like this, just let me know. I think I have a couple of upcoming projects. I might want to upgrade my own computer because this has really inspired me to. But thank you so much for the love. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and you can see a little bit of him playing GTA on it and seeing the performance. So high graphics on GTA runs.
We're holding 60 frames right now.
And this is high graphics.